Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from TRM Tycoon, which is Three Rivers Manufacturing. Let's take a look. Today I'm opening up my box with my TRM Atom. This is the Mike Erie Hollow Ground Custom with a lizard skin textured titanium scales. Man, this is just awesome. Let's get into this box. Okay. Oh, I think I just dropped, no, it's just a piece of cardboard. All right, so we got a little sticker. All right, so I'll tell you that this was a replacement because I got one of their prototypes at Blade Show, Texas, and they replaced this for me because I couldn't get it centered. So I'm going to be sending the one I got at Blade Show back because I think it's more of a prototype, production run, whatever. So there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So there we are. Beautiful titanium. You can see that, titanium scales right there. Look at the milling on the back. Carbon fiber inlay, carbon fiber scale right there. Love that. Beautifully textured. It's got some nice grip to it. So this is very functional, very comfortable. I love that. It's got the inset milled clip. Oh, I like that. I like that. Framelock, which I really, really like. I think that's really nice. It's going to be really cool. And I've got the thumb studs that I can put little O-rings on if I want to, which I may. And I love the frame lock, by the way. I think that's just the nicest thing in the world. So there we go. So the one I had was a little off-centered, and this one is not. Are we? Yeah, we're dead nuts. There we go. Very, very good. Cool. Oh, yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to be right back. I'm going to grab my O-rings. All right, I think I have some O-rings here that should work. These are the standard ones. I've bought several that didn't work and some that did. So I think these might be the super flexible ones. I think I have some that aren't quite as flexible. These will work for now. The ones over here, these are not very flexible at all. The ones here are. Those are the ones that I need to find a replacement for. Yeah, so I have another bag of these, a bigger bag. I'll go look for them, but we'll put that back over there. So you can see right there immediately. Yeah, that's easier to work right there immediately. I like that. Nice. Oops. Very nice. All right, very cool. So this is a TRM Atom. This is beautifully stone washed, beautiful thin. This is in Magnacut, titanium clip, titanium frame on this side, carbon fiber frame on this side. I think, yeah, it is I don't know if it's a steel liner. Let me see. Is it a steel liner? Nope. No, it's all titanium. But there is a steel bar insert over travel stop, which I love, by the way. Oh, yeah. Steel bar over travel stop. I just realized that's another benefit. Because they traditionally do a titanium lock bar, which is great. Their geometry is like just spot on, so you never have any lock stick. But this is always nice when you have something like this, because if you get a little oil on there, you don't have to worry about possible locks. Oh, that's just not nice. This one is, oh my gosh, this one's so, wow. Okay, so the one I got was a Blade Show. I think it was the display one, and I think it was like a manufacturing. Okay, so machine-wise, when they dropped their first ones, I bought what they call a machine production version. It's the one that they create for when they get their machines ready to run production run. I wonder if this is a production run, because this feels very different. Okay, well, I'm going to send the other one back. Maybe I just don't know how to tune it, and I'm an idiot, but this one is really nice. This one's really, really nice. It's good to go. Yeah, really nice. Okay, very cool. So, real quick, we did, I know I did another unboxing of this already, but I just wanted to show you. First of all, the customer support, phenomenal. Second to none. You just talk to them very nicely, very courteously. Be respectful. I mean, just talk to them. They're good people, okay? Just treat them with respect, and I think they'll treat everyone with respect, and that's the thing. Be nice to people. Do something kind for someone, and then people will do the same for you, right? And all I mentioned to them was the issue I was having. I mean, I would have kept working on it if I needed to get different hardware, what have you. I don't know. But they were kind enough to replace this, which because they really are. And so now I've got one that's even far better than the one that I have over there. And I can return that one. And then I can use this one. This is so nice. This is so, so nice. Very, very good. All right. Really, really cool. Yeah, I really like this a lot. And I just, said, hey, this is the issue I'm having, and they're willing to replace it, and even far better than the one I had. I love it, right? Nice thing about this, I always love, you can do a slow roll on these guys, and I can slow roll left and right hand, and I love the frame. Now, some people, if you don't, you can always get the liner lock. The liner lock is still out there, right? And their liner locks are phenomenal. I will tell you that. Especially if you get something fancy like this Mike Erie custom hollow grind. This is a special. This is a beauty. So is this, because this is one of the very first ones with that beautiful milling. I love that milling pattern. I love that design on there. That may just be the milling being done, but it looks really beautifully intentional and beautiful. So I get it. And look at that. No, the lock bar, no sharp edges there. Look at this, no sharp edges there. All the details that you really want to expect in a really quality made knife. And this is USA made knife. For everything you're getting on this thing, I mean, I don't remember exact price, somewhere around $350, I think, I'm guessing. We'll have to look on the website to see what it is. I'll have a link for it if it's available, as soon as it's available, right? I'll try to put a link in there. If it's not, I'll have a link to where the knives are, and then you can go check when they do show up. But this is just going to be phenomenal. And what I'm really hoping is that maybe they consider it for the Atom too, because I think that would be a fun thing to do. And the nice thing is when you do like a frame lock like this, what it does open up a door a little bit. You could potentially put, cage bearings on here. Now, it may not be what they want to do because their phosphor bronze are just dead on. They really are. So it's already starting to break in. Look at this. No oil. Haven't done anything with it. Hardly used, and it's already starting to be really smooth. So, like, once it breaks in, then it'll start dropping like this guy right here. Watch this. See how it drops? And then it just gets nice and smooth. And there's no blade play. Then they're nice and solid, right? And that's just a beautiful precision of the knife. And that's what's going to happen here. Man, Les just does such a good job. It's smaller, so I have to get used to it. I know I had the lizard skin version of the Neutron. I like this one more. I really do. When it comes to the small one, I really like Framelock like this. I don't know why I just dig this a little bit more. Personal preference? I don't know. Whatever. Very cool. All right. That is the TRM Three Rivers Manufacturing Atom. And let's get the official name, because they do have an official name for this. This is the N2, so Neutron 2 Magnacut Framelock. Carbon fiber textures. So I'm sure there's going to be other versions out there. There'll be versions to your heart's content. This scale comes right off like a regular scale. So I suspect at some point you can buy just one scale and I could replace it. Now it's carbon fiber on one side, so this doesn't get replaced. I don't think that's screwed in. Let me look. I think that's glued in. Usually they epoxy that in. That's pretty permanent. Yeah. So you could do something that complements the carbon fiber, right? I mean, if they ever did white twill carbon fiber, oh my gosh, that'd be crazy. Anyways, but it's just so smooth already. Wow. Yeah, it's sorry. I'm really impressed with how quickly this one's breaking up. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches videos, who enjoys content, is part of the community, who's just part of the whole channel. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to all my channel members. I appreciate you. You guys do two amazing things for me. You encourage me because I do this part-time. You're like my workout buddy. I genuinely mean that. And two, because of your generous support, you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to. Like, for instance, look at knives, cover the cost of shipping, do a weekly giveaway each week. There's no way I could do that each week. You allow me to, allow the studio to grow, the channel to grow. You allow me to you know, get different things for the channel. So I'm really grateful, really appreciative to you guys. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you. As a result, I do two things for channel members. I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. It's just for members, but it's something better than a budget banger. So like during that one time a month, I will do a regular giveaway for everybody, kind of a budget banger. And then following that, I will do a members exclusive giveaway. And usually it'll be something like $100 to $300, something nice, something that I think is worthwhile and really enjoyable for you guys. Hopefully you will enjoy it as something for yourself or a gift for someone else. That's my small way to say thank you to you. The other thing I do is also all brand new channel members, I want to send you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Genuinely want to say send you a channel sticker and a thank you note, no matter what. And kind of applies to anybody. So if you've been a channel member all along, or you were a channel member and then became a channel member again, as long as you're a channel member right now, you've never received a channel sticker, never asked for one, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. It's my small way to say thank you. All right. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.